This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and this is
also your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Tristan Wendt.
And we're coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, where we adjust spines all day long from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday now.
Yes, sir, we do.
So the hours have expanded for Dr. Wendt.
Yes, sir.
He's going to be in here Monday through Friday, and you leave Friday at 2, I think.
2 o'clock on Friday. So Monday through Thursday will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and then Fridays will be 9 a.m. to 2 p.m.
And also, we're actually answering the phone now.
Yes,
we're actually answering the phone, and the phone number is 281-405-2611.
Yes, sir.
And you can text that number as well. Isn't that correct, Jasmine?
Yes.
Yep, and we'll even leave that in the description below. So if you guys
Yeah.
want to find that cell phone number down below in the description box, we'll leave
That's
that
a
down there.
convenience that Renee and I did not even have. You have to go through the website when we were here to see us.
Yep.
But they've opened up appointment scheduling via phone, which is 281-405-2611. And that'll put you in contact with Jasmine, and she can schedule your appointment to get in here and check your spine for subluxations.
And we even have the digital intake forms and stuff
That's
now
right.
too. So once you get that confirmation email from us at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, it'll have a direct link on there for you to fill out all of your forms before you even get into the office. So it'll be a really smooth process the entire way.
There's a bunch of good changes that have occurred here.
Yes, sir.
It's always out with the old, in with the new, and there's a lot of new cool features associated with this practice that you should check out,
Yes, sir.
including the main reason Dr. Tristan went.
Absolutely. And I had a birthday yesterday, and I went to Top
That's
Golf
right.
this past
It's birthday
weekend.
adjustment today.
Yes, sir. I'm needing it.
Here,
Ring
let's
dinger number
check
2.
you out here.
200 something probably for birthday number 27.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm feeling good. Just need to get some decompression. And some knee chest. Last time I bucked on you just a little bit.
Yeah, but I still got it.
Oh yeah, you always do.
I try to catch you in between bucks.
And already started moving a little bit. Yes, sir.
One more. Yeah, that's all it
When you get started moving, just put your hand on there.
Yep.
Try to fall into
is.
place.
Like me.
Oh man.
There are many advantages to this y-axis adjustment because you're dealing with gravitational compression stress your entire life. And most people have never been decompressed in their entire lives either. Nice deep breath through your nose. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. All the way down.
Yep. There you go.
Yep.
Somebody asked me what kind of shoes I was wearing the other day. I don't even know the name of them. You got a wider. What's that say on the side?
I have my glasses on right now. I think it's an Asus brand. Is that what the name of it is?
Atomic, I think. I'm not
Atomic?
sure though. What's that say?
Let's see. Ultra.
Ultra.
ALTRA. Ultra.
Okay. Legs are even. It's a good start, and they stay fairly even. Your left one gets a little
Yeah.
longer. Right one got a little shorter. His right hand side has always been the
sir.
culprit. Yep. Yep.
As soon as we get the final touches on that new adjusting room too, we'll have to demo that room for him
Yeah.
as well. Make another
We have
video at
twin
home.
adjusting rooms in here.
All looking,
Same exact equipment in the other room, but it used to be my office.
yep, now it's looking over that Houston skyline
Still
still.
looking at a good view. Yep, there you go. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Oh, man.
You know, also the great thing about this technique is when you do all of these adjustments on a patient that you've accepted as a patient for vertebral subluxation, we see predictable results. So patients don't have to wonder if there's anything else that could be done for them because we do everything.
Absolutely. And again, like any good healthcare professional, we're not guaranteeing them
No,
results,
right.
but we can tell them that we've had multiple patients coming in with the same previous diagnoses, the same
Well, they can
MRI
make that
findings.
determination for themselves once they get here.
Absolutely.
You can't determine that until you've been here.
Yes, sir. That's why you need to make an appointment with us and schedule and come
That's
see
right.
us at Advanced Chiropractic Relief.
And the website's still advancedhoustonchiropractor.com. But you can now call 281-405-2611 and schedule your appointment as well. There you go.
Oh yeah. I feel 26 again.
So Tristan, what would you share with our YouTube fans about your early journey here as an advanced chiropractic
I would say that
practitioner?
Well, I'd say the tools that have obviously been provided to me here, the amazing equipment that we have in this office, all the great knowledge that I've soaked up over the last 7-8 years has really put me at a position that I do feel ahead of a lot of the colleagues who are coming out of school who are kind of still wondering, what do I do with my degree now? What kind of patients am I still going to see? Whereas all of those kind of things, I've already been focused on what exactly I wanted to do before I went to chiropractic school. And so it really did give me a leg up going into school even, because I tailored everything that I learned, everything that I was doing, all the adjusting techniques and everything. I could relate back to stories and to patients in this office, and I could already see how I'd start applying those in an office the day that I got out of chiropractic
And you're still
school.
seeing severe herniated discs,
Oh,
sciatica, radiculopathy, scoliosis patients, and
All
you're
the
still
time.
getting great results on those patients.
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
So now you have two options, February 6th. I'm Last Hope DC, that's $1,000 an hour. Or you can see Advanced Chiropractic Relief, Dr. Tristan Wendt, and do the same exact things that I'm doing for the same fee schedule that it's been for years.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. We'll be excited to see any patients out there. Make sure you put in a new patient request or give us a call nowadays, and we'll make sure we leave that phone number in the description as well for you guys.
That's right.
We look forward to seeing y'all here.
This is original Team Ring Digger, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and
Your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Tristan Wendt.
we'll see y'all soon.